Hi guys, I've got this beautiful 3-bedroom lock-up garage, corner one, in the heart of Macquarie Fields. You're within walking distance to Glencoe Shopping Centre over there, and you've got a carport as well. So all of this is common property, but the good part is it feels like it's part of your front yard or backyard. So you've got the carport over here, so the garage there, then you've got the back entrance to the backyard. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It is located literally within walking distance to everything in Macquarie Fields, and on top of that you've got the school as well. So this is the 3-bedroom villa, spacious. That's kitchen over here. So if you are looking for something that is value, the master bedroom is pretty oversized as well, plus a separate toilet in here, bathroom over there. That's the master bedroom, big master bedroom. Heaps of natural sunlight on this one. It's fully tiled as well. So if you're looking for something that has potential and that could give you a good return, this is